In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an unboxing stop motion video. As you can see, we start with a behind the scenes of the stop motion video creation. An unboxing or boxing stop motion video is perfect for any product-based companies or subscription box companies. It gives you the opportunity to showcase your products. As you can see in the behind the scenes, I've got my phone on top of a book which is sitting on a table. This is the perspective that the stop motion is being shot from. You can also see that I have a stack of DVDs under the box. This is what allows me to get the zooming effect in the stop motion itself. Each photo was captured using a Bluetooth remote that was connected to my phone. This is really important to ensure that you don't touch your phone in between shots so that you don't have a shaky appearance in your final stop motion video. For this stop motion video, there is only one light source. I use a Godox SL60W light with a softbox attached. I also ensure that there's no internal and external lights coming in and interfering with capturing the stop motion. An important step in getting started with creating a stop motion video is going into your phone settings and making sure that the auto lock function is set to never. This will mean that while you're creating your stop motion video, the screen does not turn off. Within the Lapse app itself, I always ensure that the white balance, focus, and exposure are all locked. This will ensure that there is no changes to any of those areas whilst I'm taking the photos. Some sections of this tutorial have been sped up. Please note that the stop motion video creation took about 30 minutes to set up, shoot, and edit. As you saw from the behind the scenes footage, the subscription box was sitting on a stack of DVDs covered by daisies. The first few photos involved removing the daisies bit by bit. After that, it was a matter of removing a DVD at a time, making sure that I lined up the box as best as possible between each of the shots. The ghost feature and the grid are both great assets within the Lapse app to help you when you're trying to line up the subjects of your stop motion between each shot. If there's any frame of your stop motion video that you would like to have last for longer, you have a few options. You can either take multiple photos at the time of creating your stop motion video, or alternatively within the app you have the option to either duplicate a photo or freeze for 1, 2, or 3 seconds. Because this stop motion video involved a subscription box that clearly had the name of the subscription box on top of it, in this case the Jilly box, I wanted to ensure it got a lot of screen time in my stop motion video, which is why you see me move the box down to the bottom of the screen, open it up before moving it to the top so that there's enough room for the products themselves to be taken out and displayed. This is just one way of many that you can go through the motions of unboxing your product. Another option would be to shoot this in reverse and actually have the products already out before boxing them up. The benefit of shooting in reverse would be already knowing exactly what the layout's going to be of your products. This is super helpful if you have more than one product that will be coming out of the box. Lastly, if you'd like to give your stop motion video a bit more dimension or have it last for longer, you may wish to consider animating each item individually within the video. This subscription box had 6 products, so I tried to take them out one by one as gently as possible, arranging them in a way that I felt was aesthetically pleasing before closing the box and leaving the final scene to be the products and the box. Every time I set up the scene in preparation for taking the next shot, I always made sure that I stepped to the opposite side of where the light was set up so that I didn't cast any shadows or create any uneven lighting within my stop motion video. Uneven lighting is what typically causes flicker within stop motion videos. When it came to editing my stop motion video, the things I needed to do was resize the video, I needed to rotate it, I also sped it up so that it was more smooth in relation to the transitions, and lastly I increased the brightness and decreased the warmth.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And don't forget to follow us on YouTube and social media so you can be the first to know when we release new tutorials.